Hi, I'm Aaron from LifeStraw, and I'm going to walk you through prepping your LifeStraw escape after it's been in storage for some time. The first step you're going to do is utilizing the drain plug on the back of the tank. You're going to drain out all of the water and bleach solution that was in there during its storage time. The next step is going to be removing the filter assembly. So unscrew the tap and pull out the filter assembly. Go ahead and disassemble these parts. And then you're going to go to a clean water source like a faucet and rinse these parts for about a minute. All right, now that you've rinsed all of your parts, the next step is going to be first installing a new activated carbon filter by just inserting it into the end and pressing it into place, and then reassembling all of the various filter assembly parts. Screw the tap back onto the tank itself. Make sure it's tight and that the tap is in a closed position. Now for the next steps.
Fill the tank with 5 gallons of water and add pressure. You'll filter the entire batch of water. This process ensures the filters are well rinsed inside and out. It should take you about 15 minutes.
After following these steps, your LifeStraw escape is ready to use. For more information about your escape, please visit us at LifeStraw.com, where you'll find detailed user manuals, more how-to videos, and frequently asked questions. Or you can always email us at info@lifestraw.com.